What we have here is a question 8. Monica has a set of 9 plastic colour strips, long red, middle red, short red, as shown. The strips can be joined together to form geometrical objects by pins through the small holes at their ends. So you're basically just joining together stuff like that. You're trying to make objects out of them, okay? Is it possible to make an object in the shape of an isosceles triangle using any 3 of the strips? Give a reason for your answer. Okay, an isosceles triangle is a triangle with the same length twice. So an example of a really basic isosceles triangle would be something like this. 10, 10 and 20. Is that great?
Yeah.
So I need to see if we can make a combination that is the same on both sides. Now, using any 3 of the 9 strips, any 3. Do any of them pair up? No. And your reason? We have no 2 strips the same length. No 2 strips the same length. Is that okay? Now, Monica would like to join 4 strips together to form an object in the shape of a parallelogram. Explain why it's not possible to do this. What are you guaranteed about a parallelogram? 2 sets of 2 sides must be equal, okay? So, what are you saying? Opposite sides are equal. Good man, Higgins. So you've done the proof on that recently, and you know that the opposite sides have to be the same length. So, what's the reason for this one? I might just speak it in as opposed to writing it. You haven't got two strips that are the same length. And not alone do you need 2 strips that are the same length. You need 2 strips of the same length, followed by another 2 strips of the same length. Therefore, you cannot make your parallelogram. Is it okay if I don't write that? Okay. The yellow long blue and red short strips are used together to form an object in the shape of a triangle. Monica thinks that this might be a right angle triangle. Investigate if she's correct. What do all triangles obey? Right angle triangles have to obey. They gotta obey Pythagoras, okay? So what we're going to do is just going to move this up here so we can see the, I just want to be able to see what I'm doing here. Okay, so, what did she say? Long blue, short red. So the short red is worth 7. So we have a length of 7. We have a length of what else? Long blue, is it? Which is 24. And then what's the other one?
25.
Long yellow, 25. What is guaranteed about a right angle triangle? What side is opposite the 90-degree angle? Which is? And the other 2 can be... yeah, when you square them. So if this is true, it must obey Pythagoras' theorem. I'll spell Pythagoras for you because I usually spell it wrong as well. Pythagoras, right? So Pythagoras' theorem has to obey Pythagoras' theorem, right? So therefore, it's going to be is 25 squared equal to 24 squared plus 7 squared. 625 is going to be equal to, I can tell you right now, it does equal. It's 625. And therefore, it's a right angle triangle because it obeys Pythagoras' theorem. If it doesn't obey Pythagoras' theorem,
you just say therefore.
Yeah, therefore, it is a right angle triangle. If it doesn't obey Pythagoras' theorem, it's not a right angle triangle. Okay. Now, what's the next one? The long yellow, sorry, the same one. I need the next one here. Monica uses the long blue and the long white strip to form the arms of a right angle. Find the length of strip that will be needed to complete the triangular shape. Give your answer correct to 2 decimal places. Okay, so what she wants this time is she has 2 parts of the triangle made already. She's looking for a 3rd part to finish off the job. Okay, so what we're going to do here is bring this back up to the top like so, and let's have a look. Okay, what 2 sides do we know the length of? Long blue being 24 and long white being 20. So we have one of length 24 and the other one of length 20. Is the joining up one going to be bigger or smaller? Bigger. Now, there's two possible answers, isn't there? Oh no, she said it forms a right angle, so you know that the side you're looking for has to be the biggest. Okay, so there, that one has to be the biggest. So we do Pythagoras' theorem, call it x. Can anybody tell me what comes next? X squared equals 20 squared plus 24 squared. What is 20 squared plus 24 squared?
176.
Huh?
176.
And what happens when you square root that?
31.24 centimeters squared.
What we get is it's 4 root 61 in your calculator. And what did you say that was in decimals, Max?
31.24 centimeters squared.
He's right, lads. Okay, 31.24 centimeters. Okay, so that's your length. And that's that question done. That wasn't too bad, was it?
No.
No.
So you have to find the difference.
Grand.